How to add slow motion effect in Capcut. Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to add slow motion effect in Capcut. What you want to do is open the Capcut app on your device. There, you want to go ahead and select edit, add in a new project over here. After which you just want to go to the photos section. You want to enable the location as well. Now here, what you could do is you could simply go with any videos that you have and you want to select done. After you've added the photo, once again, you want to make sure to go ahead and select. Now, once you've added the video to your timeline, you want to press or tap the timeline section. Then you will be able to see this speed at the bottom of the page. Here it is. Here you just want to make sure to go to curve, and this is how you can go ahead and adjust it just like this. And this way you're supposed to add slow motion effect in Capcut. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.